All right, so we're gonna pop this bearing on there. You can use a hammer on this, rubber hammer or whatever. You want to make sure you're hitting the inner race, not the outer race. If you're hitting this, you're gonna tear up your bearings. So. And she's going. Now you could have stuck this gear in the freezer overnight and it would have shrank a bit and then put the bearing on. But obviously I didn't do that, but we're good. Bearing's on. Gear goes next. And then that gets impacted. So got that piece done. Alright, so I put my pin bearing on my shaft and I used a rubber mallet and press that all in. So that thing is nice and solid now. Alright, so we've already got our seal in. That one gets kept in either way. There's another piece that goes on there. And here's our old bearing. And when you put these old bearings in, the smartest thing to do, you want to hit on this outside of this race, not the inside. Unlike when putting on a shaft. You can use an old bearing. I guess I'll use a paper towel so I don't get a bunch of skippity dip all over it. And then we'll just hit the outside of this race and it should seat down on in there. Give us a hammer. You could actually put the bearing in a freezer overnight. Pretty close. Seal in. Make sure that's up good against the bearing. That one's good. All right. Left. Hello.
I'm hungry.
Huh?
I'm hungry.
Imagine that.
It's a long day of school. I'm hungry.
This seal just presses down in there. Like that. And then we'll do the same thing with this bearing. Use the old one. Alright, so we're still working on this Honda TRX 250 and we've got that busted case here. I got a this is actually a box knife piece. I'm going to make a form. I drilled 2 holes and we'll clamp it down there. I'm going to use some of this steel stick that we used on 2 videos ago on a motor case. Alright, we're going to get some steel putty in there and then I'll clamp that down. It'll press it down into a good form. And run a bolt in there too, and that way we'll have all that.
Not all of it together, but
Heavyweight this week.
Alright, so I've got a lot of JB weld in there, and we will
That feels good.
bolt this down real good.
So are you sleeping at night?
Let's see. The wrench should be good right now.
I'm sleeping more than what I was at first, but I wake up sometimes in the middle of the night. At different times, like 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock.
Got a lot of extra in there. We may need to do something about. I may just grind it out. See if I can get some of that with a screwdriver.
So I'll try to watch the news.
Press it in. I guess I could just press it back out.
But I mean, I sleep.
That way if they gotta take the seal back out someday, eventually it'll come.
Different times.
It's been drying for a good minute. And pretty hard. We'll let it sit up overnight and make for sure. Back this thing up. Let's see how much we gotta clean off. I got a nice little Dremel too, so If that needs to be done, so be it. I'm really hoping my aluminum didn't glue to the JB weld. My form. Probably should put a piece of plastic over it. But I bet I get it off. Look how nice and smooth and flat that is. We'll bust some of that out right now before it cures real hard. Man, that's rednecking at its finest. Y'all see that? That is nice. I think that'll work. What about y'all? Shouldn't have any more leaks there. Let's see if I can see a way to do this. Leave your springs on. Pull your brake pads like this. You can pull them springs like that and like that. And like that and like that. And they're on. You don't have to fight with them springs. So, go on, I clean that all out real good and I use some sandpaper on it. And, degreaser and all kinds of good stuff. I think that's all we got. So these two bolts were stuck in there because I didn't want to take the back hitch off. So we'll just slowly run this one up. This has got a collar on both sides, one on that side, one on that side. Clean part of the paper towel, make sure you get all that crap off there. And the residual residue. And this goes up through that bearing into that seal back there. I'm gonna squeeze this with this hand, so it's putting it in a bind. See that? Then I hit it on the bottom. I'll suck it on in there.
There it goes.
There it is. All right. Get my shaft lined up. Why does that look so far apart? I guess I got me a ratchet strap and I can suck that up in there. But it's gonna help to get this thing flush first. All right, get this adapter on. Isn't that what it is, Stephen? A adapter?
Something like that, maybe.
Something like that.
Godiva.
Godiva? Could be. Is there a little bitty all that straight, tight, tight, everything's tight. Get this little gem in there.
Refrigerator?
Yeah,
It's over there.
it's in one of them. It's in like a round bottle. It ain't in a regular oil bottle. still need some parts on this one. Get it on there?
I'm trying.
Alright.
Give me a minute. Damn it.
Got it, man. Take your time, but hurry up.
I'm trying.
Go as slow as possibly you can, with as much speed as possible. Right?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. You moved it.
Oh. Here I am thinking I was helping. Well, I guess I need to find a cotter pin. GoPro, stop recording. Be careful, that's propped up on that battery, you know? Hey, don't get your legs up underneath that shit. That's propped up on the battery, man. It'd be a bad deal. Getting it?
I'm trying.
Is it whooping you or you whooping it? Somebody getting whooped over there, it sounds like.
Somebody.
Who's doing the whooping?
I am now.
Oh, you are?
I got it up there. Where's the
Yeah.
bolts?
Man, they should be right
Where
by
the-
you.
Where are they?
Right next to you.
Okay.
Give or take 15
I
yards.
got 2 of them.
Well, you need 4. You need 4, sure. Sure. Let's see.
I can still do some stuff. It takes me a minute,
There's the other 2 right there.
but I can still do some stuff.
I know you can, dude. Yeah, here doing the dang. Know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
God dang, we better put this on number 2 or something.
You got to do some work today, huh?
Huh?
Got to do some work with you today.
Yep.
That's good, ain't it?
Yep.
I'm on the
There you
last one.
Get them on there. Get them on there, man. We about done.
All right.
Whoop,
What is
whoop.
that right there? A dead animal?
That?
No, that black thing.
This?
Oh, it's a coupon.
Dirty, greasy paper towel, brother. I mean, it could have been a dead animal at one time in the world, right?
Could be.
We all just get processed over and over again. All right, we're really done this time, for real.
I'm gonna stick this
Like,
in.
subscribe, hit the notification button. This stuff is awesome. I appreciate y'all. Hopefully I helped some of you. Hey, leave me a comment and tell me where you're from. I think it's really cool when people are from other countries. That's in the United Kingdom and Australia and Canada and Africa and New Zealand. Glad I can help everybody. It's freaking awesome. One thing we got in common, everybody loves motors. Okay, that's it, guys. We got her back together. This dude's straight. Hopefully it brings me some deer jerky.